I'm going to take you through very quickly Mitel's Customer Service Manager RealViewer product. RealViewer is a software wallboard that can be deployed onto individual PCs or on TVs or projectors on the wall of a room, for example a sales office or a customer service team's office, call center, or lead generation office. So what RealViewer does is essentially gives you a bit of software that allows you to customize the statistics that you want to see in the office. So for example, how quickly and easy this can be done is just to right click in the middle of the screen and click Add Tile. And what it's now asking you for is what type of tile do you actually want to display. And this is a choice of about 200 statistics, and what RealViewer does is categorizes these statistics into different sections. We've got call totals that may include inbound, outbound calls. We've got active call stats that might include how many calls are in the queue, in an incoming queue. Percentage of call totals, you might have how many calls were answered within a certain number of seconds, or specifically looking at the service level in the business. Moving on from there, we've got call times, so some quite interesting stats like longest waiting, average talk time, or total talk time. And this might depend on how you're setting the key performance indicators in the business for the staff. If you're a call center, an ACD environment that uses agent logins, then we can also show you the status of each agent within the business. So we might have how many agents are logged in, how many are free, how many are in busy wrap-up, or just not available to take calls. We can also log their time on duty for that day as well, which becomes quite useful in terms of seeing how long staff have actually been available and on duty. So right now we're going to just choose one statistic. Let's choose total outbound calls. So I'm going to click total outbound calls, and down the bottom I'm going to choose a filter, because I don't want to just see all the calls in the business. I actually just want to see the outbound calls for the sales team, for example. So if I just type in sales team, and in the box below I select the sales team individual, so by extension number or name I can choose those that are in my sales team, and then I can just click OK. OK again, and straight away it will start calculating the statistics based on the filter that I've just applied. Now if I wanted to change that color of that statistics, I might just turn right click, hit properties, go on to the next tab along, and I can change the appearance. So if the background, I might say I want my company colors, for example red. And also I get the choice of alarms. So alarms are notifications that certain thresholds have just been hit within my team. So if I just click alarm settings, I might say, well, I'd like this statistic to start flashing and playing a sound when I hit 100 calls in the sales team. And all I do is click activate the tile at the bottom and click OK. If I just activate that one more time, just to confirm, click OK, the color of the tile will change, and when that statistics hits 100, it will start flashing, and optionally can play a sound if you really wanted to have an audible alarm. So very, very quickly, setting up a tile is very simple, can be done within seconds, and if I just want to continue to add more and more tiles, whether they be team stats or individual stats, I can just continue to apply those tiles to the wallboard. Now as we go along, it all depends on the size of your screen, depending on how many statistics you can put on at any one time. There is no limit to the number of statistics you can display, but the limitation is dependent on how big the screen is. So if it's a TV on the wall of your sales room, then you would just put on as many as you possibly could that were the really important statistics for you. Now, what we have done in the past is also color the statistics to make it easy to identify which statistics are individual statistics, i.e. John Smith, Joe Bloggs in the team, but also we can color statistics differently for team stats. So if you just wanted to see the call answering time for the sales team or the customer service team, for example, you could put those at the top in a different color. And just by simply dragging and dropping the statistics, you can move them around. So very, very, very easy to use this software. So that's the end of the RealViewer demo. If you're interested in this product, please contact us and we can take you into a little bit more of a formal demonstration. Thank you.